Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set one single name on Facebook and remove last name on Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now click on three line. Scroll down and press on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings. Here you can see More in Account Center. Press on this. Now go to your profile. Select your profile. Here you can see the option of name. Press on this. Here you can see my first name and last name. If you want to put your single name on Facebook and want to remove your last name, then you just have to set your first name and put a space on your last name. Now press on Review Change. That's it. So this is how to set one single name on Facebook, remove last name on Facebook. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.